Okay guys, so we're here at our day 6. So hindi tayo naglaro ng 2 days. But we're just even in profit. So walang talo, walang panalo. So mag-start ako ng panibago 1,529. So that's our starting profit again. So I'll put it here, cash in 1,500 only because I only cashed in 1,500. So let's go. We're gonna start our session for today. So let's go. Hopefully we start to earn profit because last time we're having some success, then we got bust. So I will try to be more, what do you call this, more careful right now, and be more disciplined. The important thing is we should be more disciplined, okay? So I rested for a couple of days because I think it's malas na. I think my strategy is not working na for 2 days. So I just rest, and hopefully we can win again using this strategy. Okay, we got a 7 there, and we're losing again. We're losing. Okay, we bet 200. 50, 100, 200, 400, 800. So this is our third bullet number 3. And bullet number 3 again lost. So we go to our bullet number 4. Okay, maybe this strategy don't work online. What do you call this? Don't work. This strategy does just not don't work. It works. I think I like this strategy more than the other I used last time. But last time I'm winning 10 days, then lost 1 day. That's not bad, but I like this more because this has a statistical edge. Okay, using statistics, we use statistics here. So that's why I like this strategy more. So our target is 10 units, so we target 2,100. Sometimes it's hard to get our unit like just like that. Oh no. But it's alright. Don't be stressed. Don't be stressed like me. Our time will come and we will win. Like just like that. Just like that. See? We win. Just like that. See? We lost. Third bullet again. Fucking hard to win on banker side. Let's get three units at the same time. I will be doing some prediction on NBA when the season starts. Okay, just a tie. A loss. Okay. At last, a win on the first bet. Okay. A tie and a loss. Oh, third bet. I think another. Oh, a win. Oh, a loss. Ay. 2H. Okay, 2H. Third bullet again. I think I thought I gonna win here, but I am wrong. So let's go. Second bullet. Oh, the third bullet one. Okay. Second bullet here. I won't bet here because the show is almost over. Show is almost done. Third bullet. Na win. Why did that I put only 100? I thought that was a third bullet. Okay. Uh, we're getting there. How much do we still need? How much do we still need? Okay, another win here. So 1-8. To 1, I'm targeting 2,100. Okay. Picture. Not a picture. Don't reduce. Oh. It reduced to dust. Okay. Maybe we're gonna bet here, but not here. Not here also. 54 plus 7 is 61. I won't bet there. Should have bet here, so I win. Give me a picture card. Not a picture card. That's bad. Oh, that's good. Okay. Not here. Maybe here should be good, but 57 plus 6, no. Okay, yeah, let's just wait. There's no harm in waiting. So we have a trigger. Let's go here. It's a trigger. So if I bet here, I will not be able to get a chance to recover because the show is over. So we're using their, what do you call this, their technology against them. I like this strategy because we're using their technology against them. 53 plus 5 we can bet here. Game. But is this a dangerous bet because see player, but it's not like that always. It will change like just like that. Bet here. Okay. We didn't win. We win. We bet here. Okay, this will be our last bet. Okay, just like that, it's over. Okay, that's gonna be our last bet. So thank you for watching. For those of you who have any suggestions about my strategy, just comment down below. So if you are gonna gamble, please gamble in moderation. Do not bet money that you cannot afford to lose. So just like me, you see, I only cash in 1.5. So I will show you my wins and loss for the past couple of days. So just I lost 1 2, I lost 3 4. Then I win 12, I win 2, I win 4, I win 5, I lost 1, I win 7, I lost 22, I win 13. So just like that, you can see that I'm consistently winning. Okay, so but I don't intend to play like that again. So I'm just gonna get 500 or 1,000 per day. So I'm gonna have a session this afternoon, so please, so stay tuned. So that's all for today, guys. I'm gonna withdraw 500 from my bank to my bank account. Okay, gonna withdraw 500. Okay, just like that. And I gotta record equals I forget on 529. Oh, not that. 1612 plus 500, 1 plus ah 1 equals 1612 plus 500. Okay, total profit. Okay, 583. Total cash in, total cash out, total, so negative 1,000 because I cash in 1,000 but I cash out 500 only. So let's put some red here on the negatives. So I wasn't able to have a positive cash out profit, just like it's just a tie, as you can see. Okay guys, that's all for today for this session. Thank you for watching.